people going like 60 miles an hour. It's super fast, but so fun. Alright, so Uber is fun, but this is something else. Best transportation. Going across the city to the night market. I haven't been there yet, but it's supposed to be a really cool night market with a bunch of stuff and food. So onwards we go. Okay, so I probably won't take a taxi here again. The ride that I just took, whatever that was called, that was so much fun. Highly recommend. Hey, so if y'all see me rocking a whole bunch of new Nike stuff and Adidas stuff, I promise I got my stuff from the outlet, Adidas outlet. Okay, so I'm a little short of money. There's so much cool stuff over here that I could buy, and I definitely want to do some shopping. So I am headed back to the hotel to get some more cash. I'm gonna come back out here, and I can probably spend a few hours here. You could just shop forever out here. So I'm just gonna get a little bit more and come back. That meal was super tasty. I enjoyed it so much I might get another or something else. There's a ton of different foods here, and I bet they're all as good as what I just ate. The one that I just ate was 60 baht, which is about $1.80 US. So literally you can get a dinner plate for $1.80 US. So that was awesome. I'm gonna get a little more food. I'm probably gonna wrap up the vlog from the hotel. There's just like a lot of action here, and I'm like the only one with the camera out. We're not really in the city, it's kind of more of a local spot. Okay, so I am full. I've been eating a fun. I'm stuffed. The food was great. I got another one of these cool rides and headed back to the hotel. So I'm just gonna sign off here. If you're enjoying these vlogs, please make sure to subscribe. I mean, I'm doing a bunch of stuff right now, so why not document it? Definitely, if you're subscribing, that helps. I like seeing that other people are enjoying it too. So anyways, like always, I'll see you in the next video.